Welcome to our guide on making money fast in Bannerlord. In this video, we'll explore various methods to boost your wealth in the game. First, let's talk about accumulating wealth in the early game. Focus on completing quests and gathering resources. Trading is key. Learn to manipulate market prices by buying low and selling high. For some quick cash, consider engaging in bandit raids. Take on caravans and reap the rewards. Tournaments are not only thrilling but also profitable. Compete for prizes and earn a substantial reward. Building a caravan can provide a steady income. Manage it wisely for maximum profits. Invest in workshops and other businesses to generate passive income over time. Effective resource management is crucial. Keep track of your expenses and profits closely. Diplomacy can open doors to lucrative trade agreements. Use your skills to gain economic advantages. In conclusion, by using these strategies, you can accumulate wealth quickly in Bannerlord. Start implementing them today.